Hello again, everyone. It's Vince Four from TradingWinds.com, and this is our update for January 6, 2020. Let's take a quick look at how the markets finished off today. We did see equities gap lower first thing in the morning, but spent the rest of the day recovering and actually finished in positive territory. The Dow higher by 68 points, while the S&P 500 was higher by 11 points. The NASDAQ up 50, and the Russell 2000 managed to gain 2 points. The bond market showing some weakness today after opening higher, and the yield on the 10-year note settled at 1.810%. Crude oil also opened higher, but then pulled back and actually finished lower by 22 cents at the official close, while gold managed to gain $15.30, hitting a new high here. Did close off its high, but still managed to gain a little over 0.5%, while the dollar showing some weakness. So if we look at this, the equity indices here looking like they're setting up long once again. We have what we call a bullish engulfing pattern. That's where today's bar completely engulfs the much smaller body of that previous candle. That's a classic reversal signal. We also closed out near the high of the day, so that bodes well for a continuation of that move, not just back to these highs, but because they're so close, and we do have a momentum here and a nice strong trend still in place, we should follow through to new highs. So despite all the reasons to be concerned out there, from the ongoing trade war between U.S. and China to the escalating tensions in the Middle East to the slowing trend of slowing economic growth, markets seem to be ignoring it all and continue to trickle higher. That's about it for now. Enjoy the rest of your day, and we'll see you on our next update.